Hi, my name is Kari, and I really believe in the Root Cause Practitioner Mentorship Program. Over a year ago, I joined Rapid Gut Reset for my own health because I was struggling with digestive symptoms that had been plaguing me for most of my adult life. And within 4 months of following the Rapid Gut Reset protocol, I was pretty close to being symptom-free in my digestive. And that caused me to start to use their protocol with my own clients and led me into joining the Root Cause Practitioner Mentorship Program. I highly recommend the Root Cause Practitioner Mentorship Program because Sinclair and Michael care. I know the one thing that I really appreciated in the program was being able to bring them case studies, difficult clients when I wasn't quite sure how to address their protocols or how to help them. And we were able to bring those specific cases, and they helped us identify what we could do and how to help our clients. And when I would bring those action steps back to my clients, they started to see results. I'm Kari Downer from Williston, North Dakota. Before joining the Root Cause Practitioner Mentorship, I feel like I was struggling a little bit to have the confidence that I needed to help my clients in the way that I wanted to help them. I really didn't feel like I was addressing the root causes in the way that I knew could be addressed and how I wanted to address them. So before I joined the Root Cause Practitioner Mentorship Program, I was in Michael and Sinclair's Rapid Gut Reset Program. I just had so many results for myself in my healing that it made me fall in love with their approach to root cause medicine. So a few things that was going on in my own health and practice that made me want to have new tools was, for me personally, in my own health, before I joined Rapid Gut Reset or joined their first program, I wasn't healing. I was going through the protocols that I'd learned in my courses, and I just wasn't seeing results in the way that I wanted to see results. And in having tremendous results through working through their protocols and their program with the Rapid Gut Reset, I started working those protocols with my clients because I was finding that my clients were kind of getting stuck, and I was running labs and I was helping them run protocols according to the labs, and they just weren't quite getting the results that I was hoping they would get. Learning from Sinclair and Michael has changed my practice by giving me the confidence to know that I can help almost anyone, because when we address the root causes, people start to heal in ways that I think that they never thought possible. So I feel I'm able to handle more complex cases. One, I have the confidence, and two, I have the tools to know how to help people support their bodies. And really, it just boils down to addressing the root causes. We don't have to get scared or caught up in diagnoses that our clients have when they come to us. We can just be confident in knowing that if we address root causes, they will start to see healing and their symptoms will start to decrease. I just love Michael and Sinclair. I love just their approach in addressing all aspects of health. I think that was the first thing that drew me to their programs. Is I heard Sinclair speak on doing liver flushes, and she talked about tapping, and I had been trained in EFT, and I was like, wow, to hear a root cause medicine practitioner or a functional practitioner talk about addressing the emotional aspects of healing, I was just drawn in and would just so appreciate how they address the emotions that we experience when we are full of toxins and not in the health that we want to be in.